In today's world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle often feels like an uphill battle against rising grocery bills. We're constantly bombarded with messages about superfoods and organic produce, making us believe that healthy eating is inherently expensive. But what if I told you that you could enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without breaking the bank? You absolutely can. It's all about making smart choices and embracing a little bit of planning. Before you even step foot in the grocery store, take a moment to plan your meals for the week. This simple step is the cornerstone of budget-friendly shopping. Grab a notepad or open your favorite note-taking app and jot down breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas for each day. As you brainstorm meal ideas, take inventory of what you already have in your pantry and refrigerator. Use those half-empty bags of lentils or that forgotten can of beans as a starting point for delicious and economical meals. With your meal plan in hand, create a detailed shopping list organized by grocery store sections. Sticking to your list is like having a budget bodyguard for your wallet. Now that you have your trusty shopping list, let's explore some savvy shopping strategies to maximize your budget. Bulk buying is your new best friend. Stock up on pantry staples like rice, quinoa, beans, lentils, and oats in larger quantities. Frozen fruits and vegetables are budget heroes. They're often more affordable than fresh produce and have a longer shelf life, reducing food waste. Speaking of fresh produce, embrace the beauty of seasonal eating. Opt for fruits and vegetables that are in season locally. Not only will they be more flavorful and nutritious, but they'll also be lighter on your wallet. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare prices at different grocery stores. Every penny saved adds up. Now that you've mastered the art of budget-friendly shopping, let's talk about stretching those ingredients even further. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to reduce food waste is to practice proper food storage. Store fresh herbs like cilantro and parsley in a jar of water in the refrigerator to keep them fresh longer. Get creative with leftovers. Instead of eating the same thing 2 days in a row, repurpose leftovers into new and exciting meals. Transform roasted vegetables into a frittata, use leftover chicken to make a flavorful stir-fry, or blend leftover soup into a creamy pasta sauce. Embrace the art of batch cooking. Double or triple your favorite recipes and freeze half for a quick and easy meal on a busy weeknight. Now that we've armed ourselves with budget-friendly shopping strategies, let's gather our culinary arsenal and unveil the star ingredients that will fuel our week of delicious and affordable meals. Eggs, those versatile little wonders, will be our go-to for protein-packed breakfasts and satisfying snacks. Oats, a pantry staple beloved for its heart-healthy fiber and budget-friendly price tag, will fuel our mornings with creamy bowls of goodness. Chicken, a lean protein source that can be enjoyed in countless ways, will grace our dinner table with its versatility. For plant-based protein, we'll turn to tofu, a blank canvas for flavor that absorbs the tastes of whatever spices and sauces we choose to use. And of course, no week of healthy eating would be complete without a rainbow of fresh vegetables. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a sneak peek at the delicious and budget-friendly meals we'll be enjoying this week. For breakfast, we'll kickstart our mornings with a variety of options to suit every palate. Imagine fluffy veggie omelets bursting with colorful peppers and onions, hearty bowls of savory oatmeal topped with sautéed mushrooms and a perfectly cooked egg, or refreshing yogurt parfaits layered with creamy yogurt, granola, and a medley of berries. Lunchtime calls for satisfying and portable meals that will power us through the afternoon slump. Picture vibrant quinoa salads brimming with roasted vegetables, hearty lentil wraps bursting with flavor, or creamy chickpea salad sandwiches on whole grain bread. As the day winds down, we'll gather around the table for satisfying and flavorful dinners that won't break the bank. These dinners are proof that healthy eating can be incredibly delicious and budget-friendly. Let's kickstart our day with a protein-packed breakfast that's as delicious as it is affordable. The mighty veggie omelet. This culinary chameleon adapts to whatever vegetables you have on hand, making it a budget-friendly champion. Imagine diced bell peppers in vibrant hues of red, green, and yellow, their sweetness enhanced by the gentle heat of sautéing. As the vegetables soften, crack open 2 eggs into a bowl, season them generously with salt and pepper, and whisk them together until they're light and frothy. Once the omelet is cooked through but still slightly creamy in the center, fold it in half and slide it onto a plate. For those mornings when you crave a breakfast that's both refreshing and satisfying, look no further than a vibrant Greek yogurt parfait. This parfait is a delightful symphony of textures and flavors, starting with a base of creamy Greek yogurt. Choose your favorite type, whether it's plain, vanilla, or even a touch of honey for a hint of sweetness. Next comes a layer of granola, adding a satisfying crunch and a touch of sweetness. Opt for a granola that's low in added sugar and packed with whole grains, nuts, and seeds for an extra dose of fiber and nutrients. Now it's time for the star of the show, a medley of fresh or frozen berries. Imagine plump blueberries bursting with antioxidants, sweet strawberries adding a touch of summery flavor, and tart raspberries providing a delightful tang. For an extra touch of sweetness and a nutritional boost, drizzle a teaspoon of honey over your parfait. Who says oatmeal has to be sweet? Break free from the ordinary and embrace the savory side of this breakfast staple with a hearty bowl of savory oatmeal. Imagine plump steel-cut oats simmering in a flavorful broth, their nutty flavor enhanced by the earthy aroma of sautéed mushrooms. As the oats cook, they release their natural starches, creating a creamy and comforting base for our savory breakfast bowl. While the oatmeal simmers, heat a drizzle of olive oil in a skillet and add thinly sliced cremini mushrooms. As the mushrooms cook, they release their natural juices, transforming from pale white to a rich golden brown. Once the mushrooms are tender and lightly browned, add a handful of fresh spinach leaves to the skillet. Now, for the finishing touch, a perfectly cooked egg. Crack an egg into a small bowl, being careful not to break the yolk. Carefully ladle the creamy, savory oatmeal into a bowl, top it with the sautéed mushrooms and spinach, and gently place the perfectly cooked egg on top. Lunchtime calls for a meal that's both satisfying and revitalizing, and this quinoa salad with roasted vegetables hits the spot. Picture this: fluffy quinoa, each grain bursting with nutty flavor, tossed with colorful vegetables that have been roasted to tender perfection. The vegetables, having mingled with olive oil and herbs in the warmth of the oven, offer a symphony of sweet and savory notes. Imagine vibrant bell peppers, their sweetness intensified through roasting, alongside earthy zucchini and yellow squash, their flavors mellowed and slightly caramelized. Red onions, losing their sharp bite and taking on a subtle sweetness, add a delightful complexity to the mix. Feel free to customize it with your favorite seasonal vegetables. To tie all these delicious components together, a simple lemon vinaigrette is all you need. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil provides a velvety texture and rounds out the flavors beautifully. When you're craving a lunch that's both hearty and portable, these lentil and veggie wraps are the answer. Imagine sinking your teeth into a soft tortilla, its surface lightly toasted to a golden brown, yielding to a symphony of textures and flavors within. At the heart of these wraps lies a lentil salad that's bursting with nutrients and flavor. Picture plump green lentils cooked to tender perfection and tossed with a medley of crunchy vegetables. Diced bell peppers, their bright colors mirrored in their fresh, slightly sweet flavor, add a satisfying crunch. And for a touch of green goodness, chopped fresh parsley or cilantro adds a refreshing herbaceous note. To elevate these wraps to new heights of deliciousness, a creamy tahini dressing is the perfect finishing touch. Elevate your lunchtime routine with a sandwich that's both satisfying and bursting with fresh flavors. The chickpea and avocado sandwich. Imagine this: creamy avocado slices, their vibrant green hue a testament to their freshness, layered generously on slices of whole wheat bread. Each bite offers a delightful contrast between the soft, yielding avocado and the hearty, nutty flavor of the bread. But the star of this sandwich is undoubtedly the chickpea salad. Imagine plump chickpeas, their mild, nutty flavor enhanced by a medley of fresh herbs and tangy spices. Fresh dill, with its delicate, feathery fronds, imparts a bright, slightly anise-like flavor that pairs beautifully with the chickpeas and avocado. To bring all these delicious components together, a simple dressing of lemon juice and olive oil is all you need. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow across the kitchen, it's time to gather around the table for a comforting and flavorful dinner. that nourishes both body and soul. Tonight, we're indulging in a classic dish that's as simple as it is satisfying: baked chicken with roasted root vegetables. Imagine this: tender, juicy chicken, its skin golden brown and slightly crispy from the oven's gentle heat, resting on a bed of colorful roasted vegetables. Each bite of chicken offers a symphony of flavors, from the subtle sweetness of the meat itself to the savory notes imparted by a simple blend of herbs and spices. Chunks of carrots, their vibrant orange hue a testament to their beta-carotene content, offer a delightful sweetness that pairs perfectly with the savory chicken. Slices of sweet potatoes, their creamy texture and subtle sweetness a welcome addition to the mix, turn golden brown and slightly crispy around the edges as they roast. Tonight, we're embarking on a culinary adventure with a vibrant and flavorful veggie stir-fry. Imagine a symphony of colorful vegetables, each cooked to crisp, tender perfection. Tofu absorbs the savory sauce, transforming into tender, flavorful morsels. Broccoli retains its crunch, adding an earthy flavor. Snap peas burst with refreshing sweetness and crunch. Red bell peppers add sweetness and vibrant color. A savory sauce ties it all together, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Sometimes the simplest dishes are the most comforting. Tonight, we're indulging in a classic Italian pasta dish, spaghetti aglio e olio, which translates to spaghetti with garlic and oil. Perfectly cooked spaghetti, each strand coated with a light, flavorful sauce. The sauce relies on just a few key ingredients to create a symphony of flavors. Garlic, sliced thinly and sautéed in olive oil until golden brown, infuses the oil with its aroma. A pinch of red pepper flakes adds a touch of heat. Fresh spinach, wilted in the warm pasta, adds a vibrant green hue. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity and adaptability. And there you have it, a week's worth of delicious, healthy meals that won't break the bank. Remember, eating well on a budget is all about planning, making smart choices at the grocery store, and embracing the versatility of simple ingredients. By incorporating these tips and recipes into your routine, you'll discover that nourishing your body with wholesome foods doesn't require a gourmet budget. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, try new flavor combinations, and personalize these recipes to your liking. Swap out vegetables based on what's in season, add a sprinkle of your favorite herbs and spices, or get creative with leftovers to create entirely new meals. The possibilities are endless. Most importantly, remember that healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you indulge in a treat or opt for takeout, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to find a sustainable balance that works for you and your budget. So go forth, embrace the joy of cooking, and savor the satisfaction of nourishing your body with delicious, budget-friendly meals. You've got this.